How to use tags to group and identify records. Tags are a really useful way to organise sets of records in your Papertrail account that you may need sorting across different folders. For example, tags can be used for a temporary contract label for kits, an item of equipment which requires to undergo a 6-month Lola inspection, or a number of helmets of a certain colour or size. Please note, to add a tag to an existing record, you will need to either be an admin member or have edit record permissions. As you can see, a few of my records are already tagged up, but let me show you how to tag a record. You can click into the record itself, and then you'll see the option here, Choose Tag. Click on the plus button, and these are the tags that I currently have on this account. I can create or find a tag using this search bar here. I'm going to create a tag for this record. Click the enter button, and now this tag has assigned itself to this record. To remove this tag, I will just click the X. To add a tag to multiple different records, select the records you want to tag, click on the down arrow at this button here, and then tag. Again, you'll have the same options to choose ones you currently have or to create a new one. I'm going to use the one I already have. Click Save, and those 3 records have been tagged with the same tag. To search for a tag, I can use the search bar. So you can see that my tag's here and then the tag name. If I click on this, it will display all my records with the same tag. You can add multiple tags to each record as well.
Thanks for watching and see you soon.